Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you this really nice learner legal Yamaha R125. It's a 2018 18 plate bike, 2 owners from new. Overall, pretty good condition. Finished in the Yamaha blue and silver factory racing colours. Comes with dual ABS, as most bikes do now. Nice twin headlight setup. Bike benefits from some aftermarket goodies, including levers and R&G bar ends, as you can see there. Very small scuff on the R125 logo just in the centre there. Quite a minor detail. Bike also benefits from an aftermarket exhaust, which sounds absolutely superb, and I'll start the bike up in just a second. Also some aftermarket anodised bits, but quite tasteful modifications, I think. On the back you've got R&G paddock stand lifters on the chain adjusters there. Really good tyres, loads of meat in them. Seats are in good condition. They're like a mottled leatherette. Also comes with the original toolkit. Chain and sprockets have got loads of life in them. And there you go, you can see the other R&G paddock stand lifter. Very clean, no oil leaks, anything like that on this side. Then you can see the radially mounted front disc, and it's single disc on these bikes. Completely learner legal, so you can ride on a CVT. So there we are, covered just over 5,000 miles. Go ahead and start the bike up for you. Lovely sounding bike. It's quite physically, it's quite a big bike as well, so for anyone that's just passing their CBT or looking to pass their test and they're looking for a sports machine, this is almost as big as a normal 600, and it has a similar riding position as well. I'll just give it a bit of a rev. So this bike will come with the remainder of the Yamaha warranty. No MOT required yet. We can arrange delivery at the buyer's cost should you wish, and we're also able to supply any aftermarket accessories that you might like. Anyone that purchases a bike from us will get 10% off accessories purchased with the bike or thereafter, so give us a shout if there's anything that you want to have fitted to the bike. Viewing is available. We can also do video viewing as well online. And yeah, it's a lovely little bike. As I said, tiny little blemish on the right hand side, but that's to be expected from a learner legal bike, unfortunately. Yeah, get in touch if you'd like to ask us any questions. You can reach us on WhatsApp, via Facebook, and all the usual channels. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.